Karthik.
All right. In the meantime, Nyamika, because we are getting a statement coming in from KC Venugopal. So let's put that out for our viewers there because it is interesting as far as when it comes to the time that had taken for the Congress party to come up with one final name, and that was of V.D. Satishan. KC Venugopal was also meeting Rahul Gandhi at his residence at that point in time. So, however, he continues to maintain that everything is fine within the party there and the party is intact, dismissing all of the rumors as far as any rift or camps within the Keralam Congress. Arpita, KC Venugopal's statement that has also come in. Nyamika, if you can take that up for our viewers, because KC Venugopal was also said to be one of the other front runners. Is this in a way that the Congress party high command is seemingly, trying to placate him, and his statement now is coming that everything is fine within the party?
Well, yes, indeed, there is an attempt which is being made by the Congress party to showcase that the entire Kerala Congress unit is very much united. They are very disciplined leaders. That is the only reason why not just Mr. KC Venugopal, but immediately after this announcement, Mr. Ramesh Chennithala was also being seen, moving from Trivandrum. He had gone back to his constituency, but on the very next day, the way in which a meeting had taken place between Ramesh Chennithala and Mr. V.D. Satishan, that is basically being attempted on the part of the Congress party to put forward a picture of a unity within the Kerala Congress. Now, in fact, Mr. KC Venugopal also soon after this announcement of Mr. V.D. Satishan's name, he has also accepted the fact that this is the decision which is being taken by the Congress High Command.
So I think it is going to play out his reaction that has been coming in, trying to say that everything is fine within the party. And of course, when it comes to all of the top leaders who've already arrived at the airport to welcome dignitaries who are arriving today at the swearing-in ceremony of CM designate V.D. Satishan. Here's what KC Venugopal said.
Everything is all right. Everything is all right.
So just one line to the question that was asked, that everything is all right. So in a way, trying to dismiss any rumors of infighting or rift within the Congress party in Keralam. In the meantime, speaking of questions that are now being raised,